Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building the flavor foundation. Toast 2 lb beef bones until rich brown, then rinse away surface soot. Once done, char 1 onion and a 3-piece of ginger directly over flame or broiler to deepen sugars and aroma. Place bones, aromatics, 1 tablespoon salt, 4-star anise and 6 cups water in the crock pot. Start on high for 1 hour to jumpstart gelatin extraction. This step creates the mouthfeel and body you want in the final faux. Once the crock pot is on low, let the broth simmer 8 to 10 hours so collagen and deep beef flavors release slowly. This is why low and slow matters. Make sure to skim any early foam in the first hour to keep the broth clear, and toward the end, strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to remove solids. After straining, taste and adjust with fish sauce, a teaspoon of sugar and salt. Balancing salty, sweet, and umami makes the broth sing. You finish by preparing components. Cook rice noodles exactly per package, drain, and portion into bowls. Then, stack thinly sliced raw beef over the noodles and pile fresh herbs, bean sprouts, lime wedges, and sliced chili on the side. Once the broth is boiling, ladle it directly over the meat so it cooks instantly. This technique yields tender beef and hot soup. If broth is cloudy or greasy, chill briefly, skim off fat and reheat gently. Make sure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.